From our Google Classroom assignment, click on the Google Slides, which will take you to the assignment. Once you have the assignment open, start to type your answers. Once you've completed all 8, move on to the next slide. And from the next slide, that's where you'll add your recording. So to add your recording, open the Cloud Audio recorder that we provided instructions on how to use. I'm going to practice using this by saying hello in Korean. So first you'll click Start. 안녕하세요. Stop. Export as MP3 and save to Google Drive. Once it's pulled up like this, you can click Save to Google Drive. You'll know it's ready when these appear. Click View. Once your recording has opened, you can rename it by clicking these 3 dots. Now once you've renamed it, go back to your assignment, Insert, Audio, select the audio you want to upload, and then it will appear in your slide.